Okay, harvesting potatoes. Try to keep it in the middle. I'm a little probably early. Oh, I should have got the... Probably should have waited a couple more weeks, but I'll wait a couple more weeks for that one over there. So for right now... Oh, that one's just dried up. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait, here's one. Fingerlings again.
You know.
There's one. Tiny one. It's 4th of July weekend. Or week, you know. That one's dried up. They're the ones I planted. I just need the... Oh, there's a good sized one. Try not to cover up the ones I've already taken out now. Ew, gross. Ew, ew, it's running out. That's a nice sized one. For the first time. Look at these little babies. Ooh, bug. There's a whole bunch underneath that. Don't just pitch them.
All these little things.
Say hi to Doughboy because he thinks you're in the
I'm alive, Doughboy.
He thinks you're in the garden bed for fertilizer. Told you, Doughboy. There's a whole bunch in here. Take that root out. Take the root out. It's hard to find good help nowadays. I said pull the root out. Okay. I guess there's not. But we don't want this little baby to go to waste. Ew, flies. Well, hopefully the next one will be better. That's dinner now. Something crawling in there. Gross. All right. I think that's about it.